Hey y'all, Shark Scrapper. So, one of my viewers is interested in buying this lead from me. All of it, all 545 pounds. I have to ship it to him. So now what we need to figure out is how much lead can we get in a US flat rate postal box? Because you can ship up to 70 pounds in a US flat rate for the same price anywhere in the continental US. So here's 69 pounds. The box has a little weight, so this should be very interesting to see if we can fit all of that into a flat rate box. Now, if we can't, then I got to figure out how many flat rate boxes it's going to take to ship this to them. It may not be worth it just may not be worth it, but let's find out. All right, there's our lead, 69 pounds. Here is our large flat rate box. Let's see what we can get in here. Fortunately, lead is very malleable, so we can pack it in pretty tight. And this is sheet, so it packs even tighter. Of course, it's a little bit of a work, a little bit of an effort to get it all fit in here. Now, one of the things with a flat rate box is that it can't be bulging. It has to close completely. I may have to voice over this because there's somebody playing their radio pretty loud in the industrial complex. Can't complain about that. I don't know if we're going to get this all in here. This is giving me some concerns because if I can't fit 70 pounds in one of these boxes, it's going to take a lot of boxes. Well, more boxes than what seems This one I think we may try cutting. You can see how easily lead cuts, which is nice. As I got smarter with packing this, I shifted to the cut and fold because I could get much sharper edges, and it allowed me to pack the boxes even tighter as I went forward. Then you can beat it down to save a little more space too once you get it in, but I'm not thinking this is going to work. Oh man, I don't know. It's gonna be tight. We might make it. We'll see. All right, so that box weighs 57 pounds. And I mean, it's jam-packed, so. Because I wanted to be as transparent as possible with the buyer, I gave him a call, let him know how much I got for this test box. He said, yeah, let's keep going. And I got a little bit better at it. So some of the boxes are loaded much better, as you'll see. I wrote the weight on each of the boxes. I packed them up, and you can see I got some of them pretty good at 69 pounds. And then the very last box, 48 pounds. So we did okay. Everything in 9 boxes. Because I use Pirate Ship, I get an additional discount off of these boxes. So what would have cost me almost $23 per box, I was able to ship to this client for $18.95 per box. I am not sponsored by Pirate Ship. I am just copying their homepage here. I do recommend, though, that you check them out because they get some really good discounts. So, how do you turn lead into silver? Well, you just don't take cash and you accept silver maple leaves instead. And before you ask, no, I'm not going to tell you how many silver maple leaves I took in return for this lead. That's between the buyer and I'm trying to protect their privacy. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And the links that are popping up here are going to take you to more shark scrapping content. The round one in the middle, that's to help you to subscribe so you don't miss a single episode. Have an awesome day, everybody.